Hey guys, I'm really excited for today's hair tutorial because it's a 90s inspired updo. I've noticed a ton of celebrities lately rocking this hairstyle and it's surprisingly easy to recreate. So let's just go ahead and get started. All right, so toss all of your hair back and place your thumbs just behind your ears on both sides. And then trace upwards towards the back of your head and just completely section off this top section. Now for a casual look, just pull out any small hairs to frame your face or go ahead and tightly pull back your hair for a more sleek look. Now create a hair bungee by attaching 2 bobby pins to a hair elastic and then just insert 1 bobby pin at the top where your ponytail will sit and then tightly pull the second one clockwise around your hair until you can't wrap it anymore and then slide that second bobby pin towards the center of your ponytail. Now you can also use a hair elastic, but I find this technique creates a tighter hold, allowing you to pinch and pull small pieces of hair to create extra volume and detail. Next, clip your ponytail up and out of the way, and then grab the remainder of your hair, securing it with a hair bungee just below your previous ponytail, and you want it to sit just below the top of your ears so there's room for our buns. Now, if your hair is clean or too soft, just add your favorite texture and volumizing spray for some extra grit. Then grab your ponytail and loosely twist it counterclockwise as you wrap it counterclockwise into a soft donut bun. And as you wrap, just keep wrapping your ends underneath your bun. Also, feel free to twist your ponytail tightly and wrap it tightly for a more sleeker look. Once you're happy with it, bobby pin the outside of your bun by sliding your pins towards the center and then just gently pull on the outsides to create even more volume. Then unclip that top ponytail, apply some texturizing spray, and then just begin wrapping your hair counterclockwise into a bun. Now you can have some fun with it. You don't need to make perfect donut buns. You could even bring your ends down towards the lower bun to create more of an S shape. And I thought it'd be cute to leave my ends peeking out for this one. And to really make this hairstyle pop, go ahead, add some accessories. I love these hair forks. I think that they are so cool. So I slid one diagonally through each bun just to give the illusion that they are holding this hairstyle together. I actually made these ones myself, but I will link some beautiful ones down below that you can purchase. So there we have it, you guys. How easy was that? I would love to hear your thoughts on this 90s hair trend and if you would wear it more casual and effortless like me or more sleek and chic. But I can't wait to read your comments down below, and don't forget to check out the final images over on my Instagram. I love reading what you guys think. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you next time. Bye.